Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Apurva. Today we are going to talk about something very simple but very powerful. Slow listening and shadowing. If you are a beginner in English, this video will really help you understand how to listen and speak in a better way. Many English learners feel very shy or afraid because they cannot understand English fast or they cannot speak fluently. Some people think that they are not good at English or that learning English is very hard, but that is not true. The truth is, English is very easy when you learn it slowly and in the right way. So, in this video, we'll talk about how you can use slow listening and shadowing every day to improve your English naturally. When you listen to someone speaking in English, you may feel that everything sounds too fast. You might understand only one or two words and then you feel lost. That's okay. It happens to everyone. The reason is that our brain needs time to get used to the sound of a new language. So the best way to train your brain is to listen slowly. That's what we call slow listening. Slow listening means giving your full attention to what you are hearing. Don't just play a video and do something else. Instead, sit quietly, play the video, and listen carefully to each word. You can also use subtitles at first, but slowly try to listen without them. For example, when someone says, "I am going to school," don't just listen once. Pause the audio and repeat it slowly. I am going to school. I am going to school. Try to copy the same tone and pronunciation. Then listen again. When you do this, your ears start to catch the real sounds of English. You begin to notice how words connect, like going to becomes gonna or want to becomes wanna. These small things are very important because that's how the real English is spoken in daily life. The second method is shadowing. And it is very fun. Shadowing means you listen to someone speaking and you repeat at the same time. Just like a shadow follows a person. You don't need to understand every word in the beginning. Just try to match the sound and the rhythm. For example, if the speaker says, "Good morning, how are you today?" You say it at the same time. "Good morning, how are you today?" Try to copy the sound, the voice, and the emotion. At first, it might feel very difficult, but after a few days, you will notice that it is easy. You'll notice that your tongue and your mouth start moving more easily. You will feel the urge to speak in English. Your pronunciation, tone, and fluency will start improving without even realizing it. When you practice slow listening and shadowing together, your brain learns faster. Listening helps you understand better, and shadowing helps you speak better. It's like two sides of one coin. Listening gives you knowledge, and shadowing gives you practice. The more you do both, the more confident you become. You don't need to study grammar at all the time. Sometimes, just listen and speak along is enough to make your English sound natural. Now, let's talk about how you can make this your daily habit. You don't have to study for hours. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough if you do it properly. Start with a short English video, maybe a small podcast or a short story. Listen to it slowly and carefully. Then repeat each sentence after the speaker. Once you are comfortable, try shadowing. Speaking at the same time, you can record your voice and listen to how you sound. Don't feel bad if you make mistakes. Every mistake is a small lesson. Just smile and try again. Remember, learning English is not a race. You do not have to be perfect in one day. You have to keep going step by step. Sometimes you might feel very tired or bored. You might think, I am not improving. But please don't stop. Improvement takes time. Just like a plant grows slowly when you water it every day, your English also grows when you practice daily. You might not see the change every day, but one day you will look back and realize how far you've come. You'll be able to understand more English and speak more English. You will be speaking very easily and you will feel proud on yourself. Also, don't worry about your accent. Everyone has their own way of speaking, and that's beautiful. The goal is not to sound perfect, but to sound clear and confident. When you speak English with confidence, people will listen to you. And the best way to build that confidence is through shadowing, listening, and repeating. So, if you really want to improve your English, make this your routine. Listen to something small every day. Repeat, shadow it, and smile while learning. English will start feeling easy and more natural. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own speed. Just remember, slow progress is still progress. You are learning, growing, and getting better every single day. Now, let me tell you a short story that will help you understand this better. There was a boy named Rohan. Rohan really wanted to speak English fluently, but every time he tried, he got nervous. When he listened to English movies or songs, everything sounded so fast, he couldn't understand anything. One day, his teacher told him, Rohan, don't try to run, just walk slowly. The teacher gave him a simple tip. Listen slowly and repeat. So Rohan started listening to one small English story every day. He played one sentence and paused it and repeated slowly. At first, it felt boring. He thought he was not improving, but he didn't stop. He kept doing it every day, only 10 minutes a day. After 2 weeks, he noticed that he was understanding more words. After 1 month, he could speak complete sentence without any fear. And after 3 months, his teacher asked him to give a small English speech in school. Everyone clapped for him because his pronunciation was so clear. That day, Rohan smiled and said, I didn't study hard. I just listened slowly and practiced daily. This story shows that learning English is not about being the smartest person. It's about being consistent and patient. Slow listening works because your brain learns better when it has time to understand the sound. You don't need to rush. Just keep moving step by step. Now, let's talk about shadowing again. Shadowing is one of the best ways to make your English speaking natural. It means repeating what you hear at the same time as the speaker. You listen and you speak together. You don't need to understand every word in the beginning. Just copy the sound. Try to match their tone, their rhythm, and their energy. In the start, it may feel funny or difficult, but after a few days, your mouth starts moving easily. You'll see that your pronunciation becomes smoother or your confidence becomes better. The best way to practice is to combine both slow listening and shadowing. Here's what you can do. Choose a short English video, maybe a podcast. Listen to it slowly. Pause after every sentence and repeat it clearly. Then play it again. Speak along the speaker. This is shadowing. If possible, record your voice and listen to it. You will slowly notice how much better you sound. You don't need to study for hours. Just 10 or 15 minutes every day. The secret is not the time. It's regularity. If you practice a little every day, your English grows like a plant that gets water daily. Sometimes the growth is not visible at first, but it's happening inside. And remember, there will be days when you feel very bored. Like I said before, some days you might feel like you're not even improving a bit. But don't stop. That time when you are actually getting stronger. Every word you listen to, every sentence you repeat is building your English foundation. Let me tell you another small truth. Even native English speakers sometimes make mistakes, so never feel shy or small. Mistakes are not the problem, they are signs of learning. Every time you make a mistake, you are one step closer to being fluent. So, my dear friends, keep listening, keep repeating, and keep believing in yourself. Don't compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at their own speed. Even if you learn one sentence every day, that is progress. That's enough. Just remember Rohan's story. He didn't do anything magical. He just listened every day, practiced daily, and didn't give up. You can do the same. If you start today and keep going, in a few months, you'll speak confidently and you'll feel proud of yourself. Thank you so much for listening to this podcast. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something that make you feel inspired. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. And subscribe to English with Apurva for more simple and helpful lessons. Keep practicing, stay patient, and always believe that you can do it. Because you can, and I believe in you. I am proud of you. I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care, keep learning, and keep smiling. Bye for now.